Welcome everybody for today's live stream. It is Thursday today. As every week from now on, we have live streams here on Albertarium channel Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So let's get ready for today's live session. Maybe you can write something in the chat window that I can see that you are there. You can see my screen. Hello everyone. So let's see. Pink Piggy, hello. Good to see you. So today, what do we have on the calendar? Let's do some quick market preparation for the open. Today it's Thursday. And we had news. Initial jobless claims worse than expected. Bad news, good news for the market because the Fed might cut interest rates earlier. Let's see the Fed watch tool. If we have some change in probabilities there, 99% no, nothing changed. A little bit slightly lower, I think, for July, but so far nothing has changed. That's it for the main news for today. Maybe we see if we have some one and two star news today. Thursday. No, there's ECB press conference, Lagarde speaking in about an hour, but then we have nothing so far. So that's good. The market is, well, drifting, grinding to the upside. You see this here? This was my yesterday's levels. And my hypothesis yesterday was that it was bullish. We had strong buyers on Tuesday. On Tuesday here, strong buying, higher volume as on this day. Strong divergence. Whoop. And what happened today after the news? Well, buyers took out this liquidity. Okay, that's good. And today they need to continue. So after the open, still my main focus is in long direction, of course. We have the rhythm for today is second standard deviation. We had strong buying earlier here. Then we went down. They went down here to this one, and yeah, took out all the liquidity up there. So I think the rotation might continue higher. Where do we have the levels on the downside? Well, on the downside, it can be also a rotational day. Volume point of control moved higher yesterday, today a little bit lower currently, but this can shift if the volume point of control moves here. Everything is in place and we're good to go for long trades. So my expectation is long. Marcel, hello. Hello, Pink Piggy. Hello. Who's there in the chat? Volker, I see that there are 5 people in the chat window. Please write something in the chat that I see who's there. Daniel. No, Volker. Daniel is in the wrong channel. I told him to come over. Yes. Good. There's just one stream every day. He will recognize, I think. So as usual, I have my iced coffee today. And I did my meditation. What about you? Have you done your meditation? Are you calm and peaceful, balanced with your emotion, or do you have any emotional environment around you, which might distract you from taking good decisions. What happened here? No. Sorry, I have something here on my chart on the other screen. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. I hope the buyers come back. Daniel also made it. Perfect. Hello, Daniel. Hello, Caius1. More people are joining. Lovely news candle, yes. Lovely news candle without any volume, without any liquidity, nothing. Just spiked to the upside, took all the liquidity here at the top, and now drifting. What do we have? We are right above value area for today, value area high for today. So the rotation should continue long. If it doesn't continue today, we have a problem with the market, because then there is strong selling limit orders here at the top above this high. This is the high, as mentioned, the same level, 858 or 860, you can name it as you like. It's this high from Thursday 29th of May, and we need to continue. So we wait, as always, for the market to open. Ready for the open, meditation done, coffee ready? Yes. Check, check, check. Everything's done. So all the volume here, all the transactions are within the news candle, within this 1 minute news candle. So the open can go anywhere. Can also go a little bit to the downside, take some more liquidity at the bottom. We will see where the reaction goes after the open, and then we trade. I'm looking for long trades. Looking for long trades, yes. Good. So who else is in the chat window and in the live stream? Hello. That we are now some more people. We have live sessions on this channel. Okay, that you know, every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. No Tuesday session, because Tuesday my priorities are different. I don't trade on Tuesdays since many months or years, actually. So if you want to have a live stream on Tuesday, happy to contact us from Albertarium, and you want to be on the other side, me sitting here talking, do some entertainment. It's all entertainment, okay, what we do here. Of course, it's about successful trading, it's about successful analysis, finding the right direction and so on. But you can join this live trading session from the other side, okay? We love to have someone okay. 3 minutes to the open. No moves, nothing here. Let me get some more water. I'll be right back. Okay. Some buyers are coming. We will see. I think they will move the volume point of control from today, from this lower end, from this lower place to this place. So it might be sticky here at this level. Yeah. This like this, or go to the downside, fill up this low volume node again and to the VWAP, and then go up again, and then later to the upside. Everything is possible. So, but for now, I'm waiting for looking for long trades. You can see here a 15-minute chart on the left, 1-minute chart on the right. Volume ventures at the lower end. We have colorful candles today at the top. Yeah. Nothing at the bottom. Sellers got absorbed again. We have here a lot of volume. Okay, markets are open. Where are they moving? Do they move a little bit to the upside, a little bit to the downside, and nothing decided yet? Yeah. It looks like a little bit diddle in the middle. Now they come. Yep, now they're coming. Coming to the upside. So, entered one long trade at 834. Is around break even now. And we'll see if they continue. I'm not 100% sure. No. No, we need to cut it here. Yes, need to cut it there. Wait for a little bit more decision. Yes. Whoa. What has happened? We have some lack of volume here. So the first trade was a losing trade, didn't continue. Well, it looks like some diddle. Sellers are pushing to the downside. Sellers are pushing. Yeah. Yeah. Difficult, difficult area, difficult trading opening today with this heavy news candle, and no clear direction. So the easiest long trading setup would be at the lower end here, do some long trades. Until then, in the middle, as mentioned, we have this B-shaped profile, and it's the question. I think they will want to move the volume point of control to the upside, so everything below we can buy, but where exactly? At the VWAP, it's not super clear here in this middle. I would love to buy below the VWAP actually. But we have sellers in this area. So the thing is, if it's very difficult, or if it's too difficult, and you think, oh no, this is not the right trading area where I like to do some trades, just wait or come back later. This is one of the most important things, and of course we need to accept it also here in the live stream. So if it is not a proper trading area because it's very jumpy and it's in the middle, we can decide and think about trading, of course, but we can decide not to trade. Volker, real-time data for the NQ for all CME data is €7 a month. Real-time data for TradingView, €7 a month. You can find it easily on Google. Just type TradingView CME live data in Google, and you will find the page where you can subscribe to real-time data for CME for TradingView. So I'm not keen to trade in this area. What to do? I think they gather some more liquidity at this area. Gather more liquidity, hopefully to move this market to the upside later on. So the one thing what we can do is we can size down a lot. Okay, size down a lot and just with very small trades, with very small entries, and a wider stop. So the stop needs to be, if we want to do these kind of things like swing trading, be in positions for the whole day, we need to have the stop below this level, below the 700, 21,700. Yes. If they go there again, we might get trapped with the buyers. Everything above can be just liquidity taking and later on move to the upside, continuation to the upside. But as I said, we need to have a wide stop if we just want to trade the grind. Because it looks like, for me, they will grind. Grind here, finish the movement of the point of control. That's what they do now. That's what they currently do. Whoop, 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 up and down here, around the point of control. Move it, and then later when they are ready, grind. So hmm. 8 euro something, yes. Is this area is tricky, and I trade DAX was kind of same this morning. Yes, okay, of course you can trade other products. Of course, this is if you like to do these kind of things. Well, it's okay, do it. I just trade NASDAQ, it's enough, or I don't. If I don't trade, it's okay. It's okay. We just need to accept. If we run around, like for me, this works best. Focus on one trade, focus on one market, and also on the trading time. So now it's nothing. Yeah. So this is the grind now. We get more liquidity. We test the point of control at the bottom. There we are. It's point of control. Oh, yes. And we go lower. Okay. So now it's getting interesting, in an interesting buying area. So buy can be 720. 720. We already moved below this low. 747. $720. Okay, we get one. Currently, this 1 minute bar has some color. It's getting white, so that's good. Good that the sellers show up, and if they go again, we can do long trades. So let me just I think this might be it. Maybe that's it. It's in there again. So I put two small buy limit orders in, one at 760, one at 720. Small ones. We'll see if they get executed. I don't think so. Okay, that's it. Guys, that's it. around the back to the VWAP, just one color, just one colorful candle. So we'll see if they come back again to 760 to increase the position. $7.16. Yes. There they go. Come on. You can do it a little bit more. 760. Close the gap. Maybe they don't let it happen. So the target for this long trade is the rotation to the other side. First 814, 815, which will be, from my point of view, the new point of control for today. And then, of course, the other side of the VWAP, 840, something like this. 840, yes. And it will be a slow grind. It will be a slow grind today. And it can get, of course, always we can see some more peaks to the downside. So, yeah. Slow session today. Slow session. V-shaped again, yes, V-shaped again. That's what they. That's what it is currently. Huh? It was the same yesterday, and also this long wicks. All these long wicks. Look at them. Wicks on the 15-minute chart. Also yesterday, it's happened again. Happened here. Happened there. We have long wicks. Always at the lower end. So 760 is again executed. I have another one at 720. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. Trade small, okay? This is not a level where you should like size up. $720 also executed. Put one more in 720. Oh no, 715. Okay, we get this is now very interesting level here, 714, 716, 717. We have one colorful candle on the 1 minute chart, a white candle. And now we need to see whether they continue. What did I say? This is where we need to have our stop, right? At this level, 700. We are there at 700. So we need to think about stops here. Let's see if we see the second candle also colorful and then another colorful candle 3 minutes to the downside. I will stop this long trade. It doesn't look strong for now. Doesn't look like a V shape. We'll see. There they come. Okay. Okay, first target would be for this longs, the 730. 730, they need to take out this previous high, which is here, 730. You can see it on the 100 tick chart. And of course now move to supply. Supply is at VWAP. Back to the middle. Okay, perfect. 730 is done. So it looks like when this 1 minute candle is closed, buyers come back and move it to VWAP again. It looks like, yes, looks kind of good. Kind of good. Okay, perfect. There we come. Okay, good. So I'll take some out at 780. 780. 780. We'll take one off at the VWAP. $780. Buyers should come back now. They don't come back. We have the supply up there. So the question is, will this be a range-bound day, or will we have a continuation in one or the other direction? Currently, it looks really range-bound. We are at the lower end of our VWAP standard deviation. So there is the possibility, if the rotation continues or if the rotation stays, that they rotate again to this 815 level. But of course, there's always the possibility at these kind of levels, because we have a downward movement supply at the VWAP, that we continue lower. And this is the thing now. We need to check. But it looks okay for now. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So volume should decrease now as well. It is a slow trading session, slow one. And we gonna trade the rotation. Yeah. This level of 714, this low should stay in. 714 should stay. And the next target is VWAP. Need to be patient today a little bit, but it looks good. Who's long? Who is long? Please write a plus in the chat window. Or who thinks we're gonna rotate short? Write a minus. If you think this is gonna be a short rotation, we bounce at the supply and rotate lower. Well, you have your points, of course, because this liquidity at the top. Let's take a look at the other markets. Oh no. Let's take a look at the S&Ps. How does the S&P look like? Oh my gosh, S&P looks weak. Oh my gosh, S&P looks weak. Dow Jones looking even worse. Oh, shit. They just took the liquidity and it doesn't look good. NASDAQ is the strongest one. But not super strong. It can rotate lower. Dow Jones making me scared a bit. yes. Also on the Dow Jones we need to take out these levels, and we haven't. They haven't. Nobody there in the Dow Jones. S&P moving lower, new lows, NASDAQ holding strong. It's a really interesting level where we are now, indecision. Let's take a look at the daily chart to get a better view, a bigger view of this ugly market, Dow Jones. They are still in the supply. Today is the day. Continuation to the upside or failure. And it looks like, sorry, this one, it looks like a failure. In the Dow Jones and the S&P, they already failed. It looks like the only market which is strong is the NASDAQ. And the question is, can they maintain the strength or not? Is this a dead cat bounce? And we bounce lower? Marcel is long, Pink Piggy is long, I'm long, long, Kaios 1 is short or not? Yes. Yes. This is a very good question what we are facing now. This is the S&P. And here we have a clear rotation lower so far on the 1 minute and on the 15 minute. Good that we didn't have any color on the S&P. Also on the Dow Jones. No, it looks okay. Supply. So my trade is again break even. And the question is, should we close it and take the break even? Or should we leave it? Oh, wait. But of course, if you don't have the time for waiting, it might be also a good decision to take the break even, because everything can happen. especially the Dow Jones looking super weak. So this is the make or break level for today. Rotation short or continuation short or rotational day. It's gonna be decided within the next within the next hour. So far, the S&P looks weak. Dow Jones weak. NASDAQ okay. Okay. Can the tech sector move the markets again to the upside? Move the S&P? So again, there is a possibility of closing break-evens or close to break-even now. It looks like a very ugly range here. Which will release its power somewhere, also to the downside. I think I'll close some here. No, we'll wait a bit. But risk and money management is always a good idea. So this is my break-even level, 746. And now, if they come and continue, then it's gonna be a rotational day. But they need to move above this resistance. There we are now. That's the resistance and to the supply. And at the supply at 780, we go a little bit lower. 772 will take off a bit. 772, we take off a bit, take some profits that we are break even for the day, because the first trade was also losing. Let's take a look at this, at the other markets. Okay. Dow Jones. It's a fight. Okay. Usually my goal is to be finished within the first 20 minutes, but today it's not finished yet. The market is in this range, fighting with the sellers being absorbed. So we do it like this, because live trading ends soon. We do 20 more minutes of. Let's check my time. We do 10 more minutes of live trading, and please be aware, cut your losses. Okay, it can be a violent day today, it can be rotational, it can be violent, but it looks really ugly, like a dead cat bounce. And I want to get some secure some or get some positions out. It's not looking good. So NASDAQ again at the lower end of this ugly range. Now the Dow Jones holding a little bit tight. It looks good. But again, this is not the best market to trade. It's a grind. Gaps down, not good. Yes, I'm out. Yes. Lack of participants, definitely. Lack of participants. We have a lot of absorption. Buyers are not pushing back to VWAP. So if we move higher, it's a very slow grind. It's like a fight, but it's definitely the time to be out and not to stay. Yeah. So I'm close to cut my trade. And be out totally. Which would be okay. Manage the risk. Having a small losing day is okay. Come on. You can do it. Make the day a break-even day. S&P 500 reflected already that low. Tonight, tonight it will be very interesting how the market closes, also for longer term swings. Yeah. Yes. I don't know. I hate this choppy range. Yes, of course. Choppy ranges are very, very choppy. That's what I said at the beginning. It's not a good market with this news candle. It's chopped to the lower end. Now it's chopping here. It's gathering liquidity everywhere. And this is a market where it's very difficult to trade. So trade small. Dow Jones. Showing some dead cat. Also the S&P 500. We need to leave. We need to leave this market. Okay. Because there's no movement, and somewhere we will have a decision to make. They will make the decision, and it looks like the decision is not long, or maybe later, but there needs some catalyst to drive this market higher. I don't know what catalyst can come today. Bill auction, FOMC, Hawker speaks tonight. But this is everything, nothing. Tomorrow, unemployment rate. Well, maybe the unemployment rate will move higher. Yes. I see you guys leaving. 6 people only in the live stream. So thank you for joining. It was not not a super nice trading session today. So yeah, tomorrow will be better, I guess. It can only be better than today, than this diddle here. And yeah, I wish you a successful trading day, or not a successful day, a successful day. See you tomorrow in the next live trading session. And yeah, of course,